This is Lisa from Blue Star Minis. And this is Baby Wednesday. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Oh, you want to cuddle. She wants to cuddle. Yes, I am a cuddler. Say, my eyes just opened yesterday. Yes, say, I do have blue eyes right now. I can see a lot of blue. But it's still early. This is a Solution and Text baby. She's going to be a toy Australian Shepherd, or some say toy Aussie. She is a blue merle. Huh. What? I know. See, I got woke up from my nap time. So now I think it's nursing time. Yes. She's a beautiful little girl. I am beautiful. Yes. I am gorgeous. Yes. 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 She's a sweetheart. Yes. What? You think it's time to nurse? Huh? You think it's time to nurse? Huh? Show them that pretty little face. Yes, show them. Say, I am a sweetheart. I love to cuddle. Starting to get puppy kisses. Yes. Tell them, I'm starting to get puppy kisses. Eyes are open, so now we think we can explore, huh? We can do some exploring. It's going to start being a lot of learning. Yes, a lot of learning. You can't, we'll cuddle in a minute. We'll cuddle in a minute, okay? Yes, I know. I know. Yes. You want to cuddle? Yes, okay. All right, I see you. Yes. We can do this video. I know, you don't know. Say anyways. I know. All right, say bye-bye. And you can go to mama and nurse and go back to sleep. Yes. She's a sweetheart. Yes, I know. Mama Solution waiting for you? She is, huh? Yes, she is. Okay, say bye-bye.